Sustainable fashion, also known as eco-fashion, is a growing trend around the world. So what's the goal? Well, it's to bring more environmentally friendly clothing to runways and mainstream stores around the world. It aims to make designers and their customers take into account their social responsibilities. Also seen as an alternative trend against fast fashion, eco-fashion ensures quality manufacturing to lengthen the life of the garment. To discuss this, we have Vogue Turkey's managing editor Zeynep Yapar with us here in the studio today. Thank you for coming on the show. First off, let's talk about ecological and sustainable fashion. What does it stand for, and why are big brands bringing it into their works today?
Sure. Textile manufacturing leaves footprints on the environment. Just think about it. Resources say a single ton of fabric pollutes 200 tons of water, and not to mention the great amount of energy wasted on steam and hot water. And also dyeing process can be quite damaging too. To give an example of an extreme case, some mills in China were turning rivers red because of the coloring products, coloring garments. And so what are some of the fashion companies doing? Basically, they are working hard to change their distribution, change their production, as well as their marketing practices to improve and to help for a better environment. And it is a continuous effort to make all the stages improve, honestly, from design to raw production, raw garments production, and to transport and storage.
So what are the leading companies that are coming out with projects?
Actually, Stella McCartney is a great example. I do admire her effort in the issue because actually take her last campaign that they've done for fall 2017 season. They had beautiful models in eastern coast of Scotland lying on decaying cars. And in the background, we see garbages and we see landfill. So it is quite astonishing to see that results, basically, and to bring awareness to that subject, to that issue. And also I have to mention that I believe more than 50% of her collections made with recycled ecological fabrics. And Mango, for example, it's a fast fashion brand. They have launched Committed. It is a collection of 45 pieces, both for women's wear and men's wear. They do their manufacturing in Turkey, in Portugal, and in Morocco. And they all use, for the entire collection, they use eco-friendly fabrics such as organic recycled cottons, recycled polyester, and also for the coloring process, which I mentioned seconds ago, they use eco-friendly inks as well. Another company, H&M, and they have started their sustainability strategy in 2009, so they have come a long way, I have to say. This year, they have launched a collection of high fashion items produced with recycled materials. And also they are launching their first kids collection, kids conscious collection, I must underline. And there's another one, Adidas, one of the leader of its field. They have launched an Ultra Boost shoe. The shoe is made of plastic bottles that found in the ocean. So I believe all those are very promising developments regarding the issue.
So where do we see sustainable fashion going to? How's its future looking? I'm positive, I have to say. It is a hot topic, and I hope it will go beyond being trend, and it will turn into a lifestyle, because now the customers are more conscious about it. They really do want to know where the garment is coming from, how it's made of, and also they now are more aware. The eco-fashion does not mean ugly clothing, does not mean oatmeal-colored baggy bags or pants, and so it can be both affordable, it can be luxurious, and it can be beautiful. So I believe the more they ask questions, they question the garment that they're buying, and they demand, the companies will respond to that. And I have to say also, as Vogue Turkey, we try to do our part in the issue as well. Now we are collaborating with a contemporary art fair, and from 14th September to 17th September, every year we contribute with a project. And the theme of this year is green.
So we are collaborating with some celebrities. We are borrowing their forgotten garments from their wardrobe, and we are working with Turkish designers to turn them into totally new garments, just to prove that something that you don't really value anymore can turn into something desirable and beautiful. Exactly. It's another way of contribution.
Well, thank you so much for joining us on Showcase.
Thank you very much. It's my pleasure.